Too many accidents in Zimbabwe. I'm unsettled by the recent accident that claimed at least 24 lives. Too many lives are being lost on our roads. Sanapena mashoko atona kuti anogenosonchapisa vaya vachiita a special address pamusoro pezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa panguva ino zvinhu zviri kumurwadza and ari concerned nekufa kuri kuitika vanhu mumaroads nemumahighways kuri kuoneka kuti it is a result yevakomana vari kudhirivha zviri reckless pamwe chete nemainfrastructural roads aiwa asiri maintained. Sanapena masvika mudanyoro panapa ari kugenosonjamisa subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Amudanyoro achiti Zimbabwe has been ranked globally as the country with the highest rate of road traffic accidents. Our roads are unsafe. Our roads should not be death traps that swallow lives. They must be safe passages to our destinations, not destinations of tragedy. Traveling in Zimbabwe now is like going to war. You never know if you will make it alive. Our emergency responders are doing their best under difficult circumstances, but a response time of 1 to 2 hours is simply too long and is costing lives at the accident scene. Instead of being places of healing, our hospitals are themselves in hospital. They have become hospitalized. They are basically death cages where treatment is absent and survival is a marriage. We just have too many accidents in our country. The first and biggest accident is the accident of a wrong government. We have recorded inordinate accidents on the roads. All this pointing to a glaring defect in government and leadership, not only in the policy direction, but also in the decisive actions and interventions needed to address this debilitating challenge on our roads. We continue to pray for our families mourning the 24 lives lost in the tragedy. We also wish all injured a quick and speedy recovery. May God comfort and strengthen us all. #we love, #we lead better. Domashkwa pada togo panapa nalikunoso Chamisa achiadresa nawo aiwa infrastructural roads achiti aiwa zvakatokodzereswa ne-failed government yotaona kuti aiwa government yacho inotanga yatogadziriswa. Mashoko anobuda togo panapa nalikunoso Chamisa tudze mafungiro enyu ena comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.